Okay, thank you so much for joining. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, uh, hi, and I have completed my graduation in BSc IT from University of Mumbai, and I have 2 years of experience in ServiceNow. I started my journey with ServiceNow administration and development, and later I worked on ITSM customization, CSM, and HRSD modules. And I'm currently working as a ServiceNow developer, where I handle the like ITSM customizations, workflow related work, and scripting and integration to connect ServiceNow with external system. And I have worked on different modules and learn how to build solution based on business requirements and how to troubleshoot the issues and how to support the implement end-to-end implementation. Apart from that, I also have the knowledge of one stack, which helped me better understand APIs, front and back end communication, and application development.
What is your current project?
My current position is ServiceNow developer.
Current project.
Current project,
What you are working? Which things you are working to recently?
I was working recently in integration.
Okay, can you explain that integration, the objective, and what was
Yes.
your role?
So the objective was we have to create a bi-directional integration between ServiceNow and the Access system to synchronize the incidents. To synchronize the incident between that. So I created the inbound integration and outbound integration with the proper error handling and retry mechanism so that we don't lose any data in case of any failure. So this is what I have implemented.
Okay, so what kind of error handling you have added?
The error handling was for the outbound integration. I created a table. We can call that payload queue table, where in case I was triggering I've written the REST message version 2 code in this script include so that it runs in the background. And I was calling it from business tool. And then when, if there is any error, if there is any error, server is down or authentication error or request is forbidden. So in that case, what I did, I stored that payload in that table I created so that we can retry that with the schedule job. So in that table I store the payload, retry count, and max retry count, all of this information so that we can retry that in case of failure and we don't lose the payload.
Okay, so where you have used integration hub?
I have used integration hub to integrate with Zira.
Okay, can you explain what you have configured?
Uh, I have this configured the ticket creation, whatever ticket gets bi-directional communication. So I created a inbound communication by using the Jira webhooks provided by the ServiceNow where Jira spokes and ticket creation. Like if any ticket gets created in the ServiceNow, so that ticket should be created in the Jira system. So I configured that with the help of outbound REST API.
Okay, what is the use of disadvantage of decision tables?
Advantage of decision table that we have suppose we have multiple approvals and we have added approvals in that and based on conditions we want to take some approvals, so we match the condition in that decision table, so whatever condition gets matched, so the result we get. And in case in future if we have to change anything like any approver, so we can directly go there in the decision table and can change it without changing anything in the code. So it is easier to maintain as well. . .
Okay, what is governance?
Governance Uh, Governance is like following the rules and following the rules and best practices so that we can deliver the so that we can deliver the service more securely and efficiently.
How you have implemented it? You mentioned in your projects that you have
Uh,
implemented governance.
yes. So, for the payroll COE, I implemented a COE security which was specifically for the payroll issues. So, in that case, I created a read and write COE policy so that that adds an extra layer of security.